Exolander along with the extra attachment that connects to a handle so you can do manual. So this is the Autel Evo 1. This was the first one we had from the Autel, and it's a pretty trusty drone. It's been through some stuff. There's a bunch of stuff on the bottom here. But yeah, this drone has done us well. So these batteries, we have 3 for each drone. They last about 30 to 45 minutes each. So both of these drones, when you have the phone connected with the Autel Explorer app, you can actually make it track something or someone. And what I've done before is I've had this drone follow this drone through the tracking system. And then I had this drone follow one of the DJI drones I was flying at the time. And they kept up pretty well. For this one, it's slightly older, and I think the max speed for this one is about 35 miles an hour. This one right here can go up to 45 if you're on ludicrous, which means no sensors are active and it's completely skill-based flying. But whenever you're in safety mode, which is up to 25 miles an hour, you can take this drone and all the sensors on it, as you see, they will actually stop the drone within a foot of the building. I've actually tested it once by flying this straight towards the building at 25 miles an hour, and it stopped a foot in front of the building. And then this drone, it's not as advanced with the sensors. It only has the pair in the front. And then, I don't think it has a controller. So the controllers are the Autel robotics people. They didn't actually make any changes in the remotes.
Okay.
They're pretty much exactly the same, except for the fact that actually, yeah, I think if you do it right, you can actually pair this controller right here, which is made for that drone, to this drone.
Okay.
But in that room over there, we have a second controller made for this drone. And you can actually connect 2 controllers to one drone to do fly, essentially teaching someone to fly, I guess, but it's not really used. It's not really used too often, as we don't really have anyone who's wanted to fly this drone, and then that's pretty much for these 2.
Now, are these done through the school, or are these yours?
These are Dr. Cott's.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Do y'all do anything with drones at the school at all?
No.
The Shoemaker probably has some stuff with them, I guess, maybe. I know they have the robotics
I
program
think
there.
the middle school and the elementary are the ones that have the drones instead of the high school.
Oh, what, really?
Yeah.
I
High
bet-
schools didn't get here.
I bet you, 'cause I met a gentleman a long time ago that did robotics at Shoemaker High School, so I would think by now they probably do stuff. Yeah. That's a big one.